Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including where to download the app, are down in the description. This review is based on my personal experience using Google Fit. Google Fit, a comprehensive review of this free fitness app. Google Fit is a free health and fitness tracking application developed by Google, suitable for both casual users and dedicated fitness enthusiasts. It seamlessly integrates with Android and iOS devices and connects with a wide range of popular fitness wearables and apps such as Strava, Fitbit, and Samsung Health. The app focuses on two primary metrics: heart points and move minutes. These are based on recommendations from reputable organizations like the American Heart Association and the World Health Organization. By emphasizing moderate to vigorous physical activity, these metrics encourage daily activity and make Google Fit a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain or improve their overall well-being. One of Google Fit's strengths is its user-friendly and intuitive interface. You can easily access your activity statistics, including steps taken, distance covered, calories burned, and active minutes. The app also tracks your progress over different timeframes, daily, weekly, and monthly, providing valuable insights into your fitness trends and assisting you in setting achievable fitness goals. Another key advantage of Google Fit is its seamless integration capabilities. Whether you're using a smartwatch or manually logging your activities, the app compiles data from various sources, presenting a holistic overview of your fitness progress in a single, convenient location. Google Fit also allows for personalized goal setting. You can tailor your goals to your specific fitness level and preferences, whether your focus is on increasing your daily steps, running more frequently, or boosting your cardiovascular health. While Google Fit may not offer some of the more advanced features found in other fitness apps, such as in-depth workout analysis or nutritional tracking, its minimalist design and free accessibility make it an excellent starting point for beginners or anyone seeking a simple and effective fitness tracker. So, is Google Fit worth your time? Absolutely! If you're looking for a user-friendly app to maintain motivation and track your activity across multiple devices, Google Fit is a great option. However, if you require more advanced fitness tools and detailed analytics, combining it with a more specialized app might be a more suitable approach. That concludes this review of Google Fit. Check out the links in the description below to download the app and